hiding everywhere. Made up makeup, made up stairs to hide their stolen air.
Hey class, is a very important lesson. Say there is a very shady person standing on the side of the road. Yes, Ollie? Why is he on the street? Is he homeless? Shut up or I'll hit you with this ruler. Now, where was I? All right. Hey, kiddo, want some super safe shards of glass? Oh my gosh, yes, it'll look beautiful in my slime. Disclaimer, super pretty shards of glass are not safe to put in your slime. Huh, but what if I want to, huh? Then go ahead. But the side effects may include police investigation, possible misunderstanding of why there is blood everywhere, chance of death, and 100% chance of pain. Ow! So that, kids, is why you don't take shards of glass from shady people on the street. Yes, Rachel? But what if you get it from a shady person in the bushes? No, no, and no. The answer to all your questions is no. Miss, I said no.